Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning with Abi and Ummi. I want to introduce you Arabic words or terms which are used when you perform Hajj or Umrah. Insha'Allah, these are useful for you during the Hajj or Umrah. So, watch till the end. Ihram. Ihram. Ihram means intention to perform Hajj or Umrah. Or we can say Ihram when we are in pilgrimage state. Libasul Ihram. Libasul Ihram. Libasul Ihram means Ihram clothing or pilgrim garb. Miqat. Miqat. Miqat means Ihram station or place where you start a Hajj or Umrah. Tahallul. Tahallul. Tahallul means get out of the state of Ihram or release from Ihram. Talbiyah. Talbiyah. Talbiyah is devotional prayer uttered by pilgrims during Hajj or Umrah after entering state of Ihram. Tawaf. Tawaf. Tawaf is circling the Kaaba 7 times. Sa'i. Sa'i. Sa'i is walking back and forth between 2 small hills, Safa and Marwa, 7 times during Hajj or Umrah. Ramyul Jamarat. Ramyul Jamarat is throwing the pebbles at 3 pillars called Jamarat. Hadiyu. Hadiyu is the animal such as a lamb or sheep which is slaughtered and the meat distributed among the poor. Wuquf. Wuquf. Wuquf is staying at a particular place called Wali Arafat. At the same time, the pilgrims make dua, praising Allah. Mabit. Mabit is travel to particular place and remain there. For example, travel to Mina at 8th Dhul Hijjah and spending the night at there until dawn in the next morning. Stay overnight to stoning the 3 pillars for 2 or 3 days. Travel to Muzdalifah and remain there until the next morning. Thank you for watching. Please watch another Arabic vocabulary lesson in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamu alaikum.